What's up internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before that, shoutout muna tayo. So, shoutout kay Jane Junicio, Playa Manny B, Shaina Ferrer, Julian Paula Ardiente, Kayla Nicole Garcia, Aldrin J.M. Abalos, Zaria Ingrid, Maxine Nerida, Mark Jefferson Sumido, and lastly, Christopher Yao. So, ayan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat and sa mga gustong magpa-shoutout for the next video. So, you may drop your names on the comment section below. So, yung ituturo ko ngayon ay medyo luma na siya, but BG's never goes out of style. So, without further much ado, grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play How Deep Is Your Love by BG's. So, the first thing I'll be teaching you guys today is the intro. And yung intro natin is plucking siya. But don't worry, this plucking is very easy. So, ayun. I-demo ko muna siya. And then afterwards, let's break down the plucking pattern. So, that is for the intro. So, the first thing that you have to do is you have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito tayo magsisimula. Diba? Kapo 3. So, bale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pangka 8 na, na fret. Tama ba? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ayun. Tapos, etong 4, 3, and 2, diba? This is your fourth string. Always remember, the fourth string is the one that is facing your face, and the first string is the one that is facing the ground. So, 4, 3, 2, eto, 4, 3, and 2, open strings lang siya. So, wala kang gagawin dito. Just pluck each of these strings. 4, 3, 2, and then 5, and then 7. Ayan. So, open ulit. Ayan. Tapos, diba, dito sa 5, yung ilalagay mo na finger is yung index finger mo, and then pag mag-transfer ka na sa 7th fret, etong gagamitin mo, yung middle finger mo. So, again. Ayan. Tapos, transfer ka dito sa 2 and 3. Same thing, open string, and then 2, 3. So, kanina, open strings, 5, 7, open strings, 2, 3. But you have to repeat those twice. So, ayan. Tapos, repeat. So, dito sa verse 1, may strumming pattern tayo na down, up, chuck, up, and ayan. Hey guys, so I filmed a different video kasi kanina while I was editing the tutorial na isip ko na parang hindi klaro yung pagka-explain ko doon. And yeah, at the moment hindi niyo makikita yung pagmumukha ko, but I guess this is better. So ayun, di ba kanina yung strumming pattern natin is down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. Yun yung beat ng ano natin, ng strumming pattern. So yung first chord natin is C. So ayan, 3rd fret, first string. Tapos, down, up, chuck. By the way, guys, yung chucking is yung parang percussion na sound na napuproduce mo while blocking the strings. So, you have to block the strings right here using your palm, and then you have to strum it simultaneously while blocking the strings. Tapos, mas effective siya, guys, kung yung pang-chuck mo is lahat ng kuko mo. Ayan. Down, up, chuck. Ayan. Ayan. Kung naririnig yung tsk na sound, yun yung chucking. So, balik tayo sa strumming pattern. Diba? Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. So, first chord natin is C. Ayan. First string sa 3rd fret. Tapos, down, up, chuck. After nun, lipat sa E minor 7 kaagad. Down, up, chuck. Tapos, lipat to F. Down, up, chuck. Tapos, sa part na up, chuck, up. Dapat nasa A7 ka na. So, this is A7. Ayan. So, down, up, chuck. Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, chuck, up. Tapos, same thing na naman sa D minor. Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, chuck, up. Chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, chuck, up. Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, chuck, up. And the moment that you wander far from me, when I feel you in my arms again. So dito sa bridge, yung strumming pattern lang natin is down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. And then first chord natin dyan is an F. So down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. Tapos lipat sa E minor 7. Down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. Balik sa F. Down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. Tapos D minor. Down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. And it's me you need to show. Tapos for the last two chord, we have F and G. How deep is your love? Tapos chorus na agad. So, ayan. So, balik tayo sa bridge. Down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. 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 Ayan. Then you come to me on a summer breeze. Give me warmth in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me who need to show how deep is your love, how deep is your love. So after yun is the chorus na. So dito sa chorus, same pa rin. Same strumming pattern. How deep is your love, how deep is your love, how deep is your love. So from C to C major 7. How deep is your love, how deep is your love, I really. Tapos F, from C major to F, C major 7 to F pala. I really mean to learn. Tapos minor, F minor, mean to learn. Cause we're living in the world of fools, making us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Tapos after ng chorus is the verse 2, and after the verse 2 is again the chorus, and then balik ka na naman sa bridge, and then after that is chorus, and then you have to repeat the chorus thrice. So, ayan, make sure to check out the chords and the lyrics on the description box below para may guide kayo after watching this tutorial. And kung may mga comments kayo, suggestions, requests, so just drop it down on the comment section below and let me know para malaman ko naman kung ano yung gusto nyong ituro ko for the next video. 3, go. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, when I feel you in my arms again, then you come to me on a summer breeze. Give me warmth in love, then you softly leave. And it's me who need to show how deep is your love, how deep is your love, how deep is your love. I really need to learn, cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.